Well, I mean, I can already tell y'all my closet is the worst out of everybody's.
I don't know. Mine is pretty bad.
Oh yeah, and it is. Well, in this case, was. In this video, I will be completely decluttering and reorganizing one of my daughter's closets to turn it from shambles to something they could handle. As you can see, they are going to be assisting me throughout this process, and as I have stated on some of my previous decluttering videos, I wanted them involved so that I had help, but also because I needed them to really hold themselves accountable for what was staying and what needed to go. I found out some things about the girls during this process as well. Like, they really like to hold on to things. They wanted to hold on to clothes tighter than people hold on to toupees in a tornado, or even tighter than church ladies clutching their pearls. Drop a tornado in the comments if your kids struggle with this as well. So right now, I'm having the girls take all the clothes out of the closet to clear it out quickly. This helped us to quickly see what real space we're working with. On this channel, I post cleaning, organization, and occasional decor videos, and believe that cleaning doesn't have to be boring, so if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing and click the notification button to receive all notifications so that you never miss a video. The crazy thing about all these clothes is, half of them either didn't fit or they really didn't care to wear them. So because it was super cluttered, it would take them forever to get dressed whenever we wanted to leave the house. Now, this is the aftermath of clearing out the closet. What I did was I went through each item of clothing and inspected it for proper size and condition. Anything that was the wrong size but could fit my youngest daughter went into a pile for the other room, which I will show in a video within the next week. Anything that was in poor condition went into the trash pile, and anything that they didn't want went to the giveaway pile. My goal was to have a larger get rid of pile than a keep pile. Once I went through this process, I then made a stack of all clothes for my oldest and all clothes for my younger daughter. Have you decluttered your child's closet or even your own closet? Let me know in the comments below. You can't really tell, but this was the hilarious part of the decluttering process to me. The girls were wanting to keep the smallest things, shirts that were faded and worn, and even ones they knew they couldn't fit. They just didn't want to get rid of them. I captured some of their objections and put them in as bloopers, so stay tuned until the end of the video for this. The thing that made this decluttering process interesting is that two of my girls wear the same size clothes and they are in two different rooms. So I had to be careful what I put to the side because one girl may not have wanted it, but the other might have. So I had to do this closet and my other two daughters' closet kind of back to back in order to ensure that I could get whatever clothes needed to be given away out of the house. In this next clip, you will see where their keep stack is way smaller than the giveaway stack, just like I wanted. So this declutter was definitely a success. I then put all the clothes on velvet hangers to prevent them from slipping, since that was one issue the girls used to have, and I color coded the hangers. My oldest daughter chose gray hangers and my fashionista daughter chose white, similar to the ones I used on my closet decluttering video. They wanted the colors to coincide with the room decor, and I think they did a great job choosing them. After putting the clothes on hangers, I then color coded the clothes within the types of clothes, kind of like, all the red short sleeve shirts, all the blue short sleeves. It was crazy. But being honest, I didn't hold them to that standard for maintenance. I know I'm extra, so as long as they hang them within the categories, I didn't mind the color coding part. So now, here is the before video. And here is the after. They have a bin for all of their hats and belts and one for all of their purses and bags, and command hooks are even on the side for their robes, so they won't be all over the beds or on the floor. I hope this video gave you the motivation that you needed to declutter a space in your home. Now, I guess 2 of my girls at least can join me in graduating from the Closet Hoarders Anonymous meetings. Stay tuned for real life bloopers, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Dominique, we shouldn't lose you this early. You don't even wear these clothes.
Is a 10 through 12. That's mine! Oh, look, dummy.
That's trash.
What?
That's horrible.
No.
It's a 14.
I remember the day I spilled it here. So, basically. Yep. I remember when I wore this.
What does the fox say?
I remember this. Like, no.
You're
Can we put it in a memory or something? I like this.
I can see it.
Oh, no,
This is an 8 through 10.
This
Girl,
is
no.
my favorite dress ever.
This is so cute.
I don't want to wear this.
This is a what? 12? This will be for you.
Oh, no.